Here's pre-calc, it's problem 10-84, and it says the amount of illumination A from a light source is inversely proportional to the square of the distance d from the source. Okay, so we need to, the thing that might be confusing about this is maybe you don't, you're not thinking about direct variation or inverse variation. I can't make it focus. So it turns out that inverse variation is like this right here says y varies inversely with x. So k is just a constant of proportionality. So this would say y varies directly as x, and this says y varies inversely as x. So you need to know that before you even start. So now once you know about inverse variation, you could say express a as a function of d. And I can say a of d instead of just a. I can say like, oh, you can't read any of that. A of d. Sorry it's so blurry. I don't really even know what to do to fix it. Huh. So it says the amount of illumination of a light source is inversely proportional. So it's inversely proportional. So I have to go k over whatever it's inversely proportional with. And it says it's inversely proportional to the square of the distance d. So I'm going to use d, and I'm going to square it. So this says a is inversely proportional to with d squared. Okay, so I think that's about it. That's letter A. That's what they wanted for letter A. Now for letter B, it says if the distance from the light source is tripled, so that's d, if I triple my d, what happens to the amount of illumination? So what happens to A if I triple d? So I'm going to triple d, but I have to be careful when I triple it. I'm going to triple it, like I'm going to use the order of operations. Okay, and then oh, sorry, it wasn't, it's squared. So that's k over 9 d squared. So it's kind of the same as, I could really write this as 1/9 times k over d squared, couldn't I? So it's going to be decreased to 1/9 as much. So that's the answer they want.